Designer babies. These are the babies whose parents decide their traits, that whether they should have blue eyes, क्या उनके काले बाल होने चाहिए, वो tall होने चाहिए. Even gender can be decided by the parents as well. So designer babies are the children which are genetically engineered in the genome in order to have the desired qualities or the desired traits selected by their parents. So designer babies are made by in vitro fertilization, in which eggs are obtained from the mother and sperm from the father. In vitro fertilization takes place in the Petri plate. Embryo is screened or manipulated for the genetic disorders and is then placed into the uterus of the mother. So here how genetic engineering takes place. This is by the introduction of third parent, who is the donor of mitochondria. Mitochondria actually contain the desired genes. So embryo is removed for desired qualities and is then placed in the genome. But this is not a very cheap method. This is very much expensive and this is not 100% safe. It can lead to different abnormalities, problems, as well as loss of the embryo. Now the designer babies are obviously of better looking and can create gap in the society. So this can affect the gene pool and throughout the designer baby's gene family tree, the problem can arises. For example, if the parent has increased the genes of intelligence, then it is not necessary that genes is related to intelligence. It may be related to the anger. तो अगर ये gene को हम highlight करें तो it will not only increase up the intelligence but at the same time it will also increase the anger level. So in case of designer babies, consents are given by the parents and there is no permission from the children, though they have the right to live their own lives. Now the advantages related to designer baby is that we can increase the lifespan up to 30 years, and by this we can screen the embryo for genetic disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, Huntington's disease, Down syndrome and many other genetic disorders. Especially if the parents are carrier of any genetic disorders, then they can choose in vitro fertilization method especially for screening the embryo and for genetic disorders, and after screening they are then placed into the parent mother womb. So fertile women can have children by in vitro fertilization, especially in case of heterosexual couples. Parents set their own limits of genetically engineered babies. Then it is something unethical and unnatural. Sometimes we feel that it is morally wrong because parents get upset अगर वो trait properly children में सही तरह visible नहीं हुई, and so the parents get upset when trait did not pay off. Similarly, a problem arises if the child is not happy with the facial features, and if the child comes to know that the facial traits are selected by the parents themselves, then this can create difficulties in parent-child relationship as well.